In this project, we installed a complete LiftMaster access and garage system upgrade built for smooth, reliable daily use. After mounting and wiring everything, we dialed in the travel limits, force settings, and safety features, then ran multiple open and close cycles to confirm smooth movement and proper stopping points. The work centered on a LiftMaster overhead garage door opener, model 6690L, delivering quiet operation and dependable lifting power right where it's needed most. The result? A cleaner, safer setup with faster access, improved reliability, and a system that's easy to service and maintain, completed with a LiftMaster DC slide gate operator, model RSL12UL, for precise, consistent control on the sliding gate.